Okay, boom, back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from Kingmixup, it's not credible, and you already know the deal, my babes. My dad yourself for telling a while, go on for that to go on. The same as obviously can say, dancehall artist Masicka is coupling Alkaline again. Yes, the vendetta said the crocodile life. Them sad. You see, man, I said because Alkaline to Barclays show and drop him album the same time, and the other day, Masicka revealed his album date in the August the 14th. You see, man, I know today we see, you know who, CJ Milan drop Masicka's headline in one reggae fest show. This is man, on the 15th. You know what I mean? So this is why Vendetta fans you see in front of you right there. Me saying that, him not just stop copying. You know what I mean? But in reality, the two of them is copying Vybz Kartel, doing all of these Barclays shows, trying to sell it out so them can be a part of the cartel history. And as you can see, Masicka get caught again stealing from Vybz Kartel. Because say people say, I'm afraid for drop him album. I know that him drop the album date is like so far away. So I'll be plagiarizing a go on, you see me? Because once I said Carter said whether, man get one in the, I'm fierce but bright sunny day at the other king and every day me a rain. So I'm saying Masicka, forward the same thing. When in preview album, I said forever rain. You see man I say, boy oh boy oh boy oh boy oh boy, and Masicka blocked me for, taking credit for, forcing him to come out and give on an album day because let's be honest, nobody wasn't talking about Masicka. And when me to get that message, it was like weeks ago. But through dancehall boy, me said, you know what, we just gonna run it now. You see me? So boom, and did my own comment on him page and the people them get excited and I call me one bag of things, you know what I mean? But yeah, obviously I'm somebody enough for him for one to block off of him page. You see me? I say, boy oh boy oh boy oh boy oh boy. How much ticket will Masicka sell still? You see, man, I say, cause last time I tell him, say, CJ Milan, through Alkaline, them, they make no money for HFR, the ticket them flop. You see, man, I say, so, for not breach the contract, she just slick them with one who know. The thing go, but every one death in the family. You see, man, I say, so Alkaline, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next trending topic we see. I don't have to deal with Shawn. You see, man, I say, cause people that say him dash where him life for cartel doing these jail year times for 13 years. Cause I'm say him miss out on, his music career taking off, isn't it?
Bro, me never see them thing yet happen for me in a music. Hey, that's why I tell you, being in a prison, it fuck you. Me I tell you, say prison fuck up my music journey, you. Me I tell you that, dog. Dog, that 13 years out of music, it slow me the fuck down, you. Me I tell you, dog.
Yeah.
Dog, a man never know, dog. Say that prison, that 13 years of prison, dog. Me I tell you, the biggest regret in my fucking life.
Yeah. Believe, bro.
People say enough to have regrets. My blood clot regret that. I regret going to prison for 13 years because I never go to prison for 13 years. But I'll be a better artist today. A bigger artist today. A more globally known artist today.
Yeah.
So come on and tell me about no regrets. My biggest regret that in my life, that 13 years they were wasting me in prison youth.
Yeah.
That me a Vybz Kartel that fucked me up in the music and a man never know, yeah? So right now, loan gas in my head, loan gas in my.
Yeah, and honestly, people, I believe him. If he never got jail, him career would have taken off because look what happened when Cartel went to jail. Whole heap of people became somebody in the business. We all say people start become somebody. Boy, yeah, boy, I mean, I want to talk about the dancehall artists, them, meaning the dancer, them like Ding Dong become somebody. You feel me? So, yeah, if Shawn Storm never got jail, the whole dancehall scene would have been different, but it's not. This is my saying, we can't change the past, but only can try to dictate the future. And as you can see, Matsus, as you can see, Cairo, they are living good. But Shawn Storm is the one that want to be an artist. So, even though Cartel has sent him money a month time, the man still a put in work, you see me? But anyway, peeps. Just the one giving a quick update while going for that to go on. Don't forget to check out these next suggested videos in the sip on the screen. And in the meantime, you know what to do. Turn on the notification bell after you subscribe and press all. Therefore, you'll be notified when I drop the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.